Hi there. Now, it certainly is a challenge to find the 5 best cheap drone on Amazon worthy of your earned money. It isn't impossible, especially when you have a reliable source like our channel, to point you in the right direction and show you the brands you can trust. In preparing this list, we have done in-depth research to find out the best products for you. If you choose from this list, you can be sure you'll be buying one of the best products available right now in the market. Make sure to check the product links down below in the description, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is DJI Mavic 3 camera drone. If you're a professional photographer or videographer looking for the highest possible image quality and a portable and lightweight drone, then look no further than the DJI Mavic 3. This drone features a dual camera with a large 4/3 20MP sensor and adjustable aperture and the main camera offering excellent image quality for stills and video. With video possible at up to 5.1K in standard and RAW formats, stills in RAW and JPEG format and other advanced features, it's a drone that's aimed at professionals. The Mavic 3's second camera is much more limited, however, and can only shoot images in JPEG and standard video at 4K 30fps in auto mode, but it does offer a hybrid zoom of up to 24x. The Mavic 3 features a folding design for easy transportation, and the two models available weigh 895 grams and 899 grams. The standard model provides 8 GB of internal storage, while the more expensive and slightly heavier Cine model includes an internal 1 TB SSD with support for Apple ProRes 422HG video recording. Both models also feature a microSD card slot to expand onboard storage. Number 2. Our second best pick is DJI Air 2S Drone Quadcopter. The DJI Mavic Air 2S is the smallest, most lightweight drone featuring a 1-inch sensor available today. This makes it ideal for photographers and videographers who carry another kit with them while exploring the outdoors, or simply those who like small and lightweight tech. The 1-inch 20MP sensor is capable of capturing stills in both RAW and JPEG formats, alongside video up to 5.4K at 30fps, although lower resolutions such as 4K can be captured at higher frame rates. Like all Mavic models, the Air 2S features a folding design to make it more transportable, with a folded size of 180 by 97 by 77 and a weight of just 595 grams. Battery life is advertised as offering up to 31 minutes of flight time, and the digital zoom provides up to 8x magnification when shooting FHD videos with a sliding scale to 4x at 4K, allowing you to film subjects without needing to physically fly closer. The Mavic Air 2S is suitable for both beginners and more experienced drone pilots, with features that make it ideal for both amateur and professional use. Safety features include obstacle sensing in 4 directions, as well as Advanced Pilot Assistance System 4.0, which can be set so the drone flies autonomously around obstacles when detected. Number 3. Our third best pick is DJI Mini 2 Foldable Drone. If you're a drone beginner or an experienced pilot looking for the most portable and lightweight DJI drone available, the 249 grams palm-sized Mavic Mini 2 is a great option. Not only is this drone exempt from requiring the owner to register with the CAA, UK, and FAA, US, it's also packed with some impressive features despite its diminutive size. With a 0.5-inch 12MP sensor, you can shoot stills in both RAW and JPEG format as well as up to 4K video. It also features a folding design that makes it incredibly small, to the point where you barely notice it being carried in a bag. Flight time is advertised as being up to 31 minutes, and there's also a digital zoom offering up to 4x magnification when shooting FHD video, 3x at 2.7K and 2x at 4K, allowing you to safely get closer to the action you're shooting. The features on offer are impressive. Although there's no RAW video recording available, this is unsurprising in a beginner model. And there are certainly more than enough features to keep even experienced pilots happy. Safety features are pared down compared to more advanced Mavic models in that it doesn't offer collision or obstacle avoidance, but it does use GPS positioning and offers return to home functionality. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is DJI Mavic Air 2 Fly More Combo Drone. The Mavic Air 2 was closely followed up by the Mavic Air 2S, but this small drone remains highly relevant in the market due to being 25 grams lighter than the Air 2S at 570 grams, and most importantly it's much less expensive, making it ideal for those on a budget. With a half-inch 12MP sensor, the Air 2 can capture stills in both RAW and JPEG format, as well as video at up to 4K at 60 FPS. Plus, the drone can capture video in the DJI-like profile, RAW, as well as the standard profile. The Mavic Air 2 looks almost identical to the Air 2S and features the standard folding design of the Mavic series. Advertised flight time is up to a respectable 34 minutes and maximum flight speed is up to 42 miles per hour in sport mode. There's no digital zoom available with this model, but you can capture 48MP stills that are saved as JPEGs, so you can crop photos down to achieve a similar effect, and with video, you have to zoom into 4K footage slightly and output it FHD in video editing software. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Parrot AF728K ANAFI drone. In the world of drones, compact and lightweight options are few and far between, but with the Parrot ANAFI, you get both of those traits alongside a photo resolution of up to 21MP and video at up to 4K. Plus there's up to a 2.8x digital zoom that's claimed to be lossless, alongside standard digital zoom up to 3x. Compared to other drones in this guide, the Parrot ANAFI offers generally limited video functionality in terms of frame rates, but this simple approach may appeal to beginners who feel overwhelmed by too many options to choose from. The ANAFI features a folding design which makes it long and thin for transport and storage, and the lightweight of just 320 grams adds to the portability factor. Like most drones, the ANAFI features automated flight patterns to make it easy to capture professional-looking videos with ease, but where it differs is that the gimbal only works on 2-axis rather than 3, while electronic stabilization works on 3-axis to provide a hybrid solution. When it comes to safety features, the ANAFI only offers GPS positioning to hold the drone in position and avoid drift in wind. Unfortunately, like the DJI Mavic Air 2, there's no collision avoidance, so you have to take care during flights. So, grab whatever product you like from our list that fits you. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.